Welcome to Lecture 3, Key Elements of Communication. In this lesson, we'll break down the essential parts of any communication process: sender, message, receiver, and feedback. Understanding these elements will help you communicate more effectively in any situation. Communication is the process of exchanging information between two or more people. It's how we share our thoughts, ideas, and feelings with others. Every communication process has four key elements: the sender, the message, the receiver, and feedback. Let's explore each one in detail. The sender is the person who starts the communication. They decide what to say, how to say it, and which method to use, whether it's speaking, writing, or another form. A good sender thinks about the audience and chooses words and tone carefully. This helps make the message clear and easy to understand. The message is the actual information or idea that the sender wants to share. It can be spoken, written, or even expressed through body language. To make your message effective, keep it simple and focused. Avoid using complicated words or jargon that might confuse the receiver. The receiver is the person who gets the message. They interpret what the sender is trying to say based on their own experiences and understanding. A good receiver pays attention, asks questions if something isn't clear, and responds to show they've understood the message. A good listener pays attention, asks questions, and responds to ensure understanding. Feedback is the receiver's response to the message. It lets the sender know whether the message was understood and can be given through words, gestures, or facial expressions. Feedback is essential because it confirms whether the message was understood. It also helps correct any misunderstandings and improves future communication. All four elements work together in a cycle. The sender creates and sends the message, the receiver interprets it, and then provides feedback. This cycle continues until both sides understand each other. For example, if you tell your colleague, "Let's meet at 3 p.m., you are the sender, your words are the message, your colleague is the receiver, and their reply is the feedback. Sometimes, communication breaks down due to misunderstood messages, lack of feedback, or poor listening. Being aware of these issues helps you avoid them. To communicate effectively, always be clear and specific, listen actively, and encourage feedback from others. Remember, effective communication depends on all four elements: sender, message, receiver, and feedback. Mastering these will help you in every area of life. Try to spot these elements in your daily conversations and practice the tips we discussed. In the next lecture, we'll explore how to overcome common communication barriers.